Hello, everyone, and welcome to our next video. As always, please like this video, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing when it comes to sports betting and how you can make free cash thousands of dollars. Now, in this video, what we want to do is we want to go over the over and under spreads just to explain what they are. So for this example, we're in BetMGM. We're going to go to Major League Baseball, which is where we are. And you can see the lines here. You have the spread, the total, and the money line. You're looking at the total line. The total runs under and over. Okay. Now, when we do our betting, we are sure that we are picking lines that have 0.5. So in this case, the Toronto Blue Jays, we're betting that this negative 105 means that you are betting that the Toronto Blue Jays and Boston Red Sox will score more than 9.5 runs, which means they need to score 10 runs to win this bet over 9.5. And the reason we use the 0.5 is because, for example, here where it says over 7 and under 7, if it falls exactly on 7, you might lose that bet depending on the sports book that you use. So we always use lines that are 0.5. So over 9.5, under 9.5. That is your bet. So let's go to another one. Minnesota Twins. Total runs over 8.5, which means they would need both teams need to score a total of 9 runs for you to win. Under 8.5 means that they would have to score 8 runs or less to win. So that's a quick explanation of the over under. I hope that makes sense. Again, subscribe, like our page, and we'll see you in the next video.